Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. You little niggas don't know who you playing with, boy. Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. You get scared now, let's play still, nigga. Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. You thought it was a game now, motherfucker, I'm busting you up. Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. I'm gangster with it. Leave a skeleton. I'm tired of being a good guy in the game, so I take this thing and put it in your brains. After I put it in my hands, you thought it was a game. Kill you, your family, your friends, don't even matter. Niggas thought it was a joke, and now a nigga talk about Black Lives Matter like that shit is making shit better. Come on, dog, it's fucked up and it's getting me fed up. So now I get the game back to get Curry and right in the body bag, nigga. Getting Curry right to the cemetery, that's where I belong. Where I come from, son, I'm in the zone. And you can't hear these songs that I spit. And there's a one or two motherfuckers, but now I'm done with it. Come on, John, so you know the gun gotta be filled quick. In the clip, you already know the game. It's mine to watch it drip. Come on, dog, see it, tell my name, son, all the time, son, then let it rip. Yeah, look at me, young like a blood versus the crip. I'm about to come bloodthirsty in the hood, son, to make your body rip. Your strays, nigga, bully your rib. And niggas then cut off your legs, I don't give a fuck. You heard what I said? Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. These little niggas, they fuck up with the thug, nigga. Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. I ain't playing around, nigga, fucking with me. Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. These little niggas don't know who they playing with. Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. The psychopath, I'm writing your blood bath. You get prepared for your body get drowned and then get baptized. The little pistol put guns between your eyes. Niggas psychomatic and niggas psycho addict. Niggas in the hood is more than a dry shit, y'all. I gotta get back at it. These niggas, yeah, I kept throwing warnings at you like a warning sign. I kept telling you niggas the cemetery, nigga, death is coming around. Ain't anybody standing with all that hate. Come on, dog, to get in touch first, nigga. And I can't wait. Too many chances that I gave you, motherfucker. Yeah, son. Now, young, I feeling so great. And now I'm gonna do what I gotta do. The young put burns on my waist and right between your face. You know you get done with. Come on, son. Yeah, niggas a game watching you bleed. And then you already know something coming for your seed. You motherfucking kids, you already see. They're gonna watch out, get done with. You already see, yo, this is what I need. MOB, you're about on the block burning. You already see, John, you already know. Putting them in the pack, make them stop, son, and get the warning. Come on, son, get the warnings. Come on, son, you a nigga. Get your body burned, man. You niggas a game with me. Especially with little niggas come around, John, the face of opportunity. The scary young nigga, killer clown. Little twister, nigga. Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. These little niggas don't know who they playing with. Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. I'm coming through, motherfucker. I'm tearing them up. Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. These little niggas don't know who they playing with. Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. Y'all already know, nigga. You the gang, son, this shit thing, son. Little dumb niggas fucking with my nigga, little pistol gun. Like this shit is fun, like it's a game. And now we coming through the unit. Come on, young, you see how we do it. Niggas acting stupid like they don't know, like they clueless. One baddie, big army. Come on, dogs, get one shot, nigga. You already know the niggas are bombing. And little niggas already know done. It's only thing that's comedy. Where they did baddies in the streets, where they bleed, can't speak. Come on, dog, your heart can't beat, motherfucker. Come on, young, you can't read, nigga. That's all good, man. We got something for you, motherfucker. With them shots in the rain. Come on, dog, nigga. I hope you not spotted in the rain. You will be throwing shots right in the flame. Bitch ass niggas hold up. They fucking with their young gun, no pistol, nigga. We gon' have to fuck 'em up, kid. Off your blood, cough up your blood. These little niggas, some coming right with it, kid. Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. These little niggas, I'm purging the game, bitch. Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. These little niggas don't know who they playing with. Cough up your blood, cough up your blood. I got you scared, nigga. Yeah, the demon, the demonic meaning. Come on, son, with that ammo, with that Nina. Come on, dog, with that Mina. You already know, son. Lamborghinis, they just riding. They come on, dog, with the same hoes right beside you, right in bikinis, and nigga, let them ride in. You already know, son. You young nigga coming around the corner. You already know, we tear them up, young. You already know, wanted nigga, we doing this, burn them. Come on, dog, just kill them quick. No time wasted, burn them in their motherfucking white outfit, turn it red. Come on, dog, in the hood, I see you calling the face. You need help, you need protection. You see this mask on my face, son? That means a purge, son. Yeah, nigga, ain't no inspection. Ain't no motherfucking, yo, interruptions. Cause you already know guns is this busting. You already know if anybody get touched. You see, I'm coming through the other gamma the menace. Yeah, I'm on the block, on the hood, son. You know I ain't finished. We start doing this shit. I'm so ruthless with it. You already know I come through the block with them teeth in your head. You know it's you, John. MOB. Mob life on the block, motherfucker. See the squad with the brain. Come on, dog. We got these niggas. Yeah, start to sing. Come on, John. Start to scream. Do you want help? Come on, John. You want somebody to have your mercy? Come on, dog. Nigga, fuck that, boy. I told you I'm bloodthirsty. Let's see, John. My killers, they work for me. The demonic, the path. It's the blood in the eyes. See, you get the game draft. You see the game is mine, son. Yeah, with that. Come on, son. I did death. See me again. Where we go when we all descend. Motherfucker, you know niggas don't know. I got my round in the hood, Sunday rocking the surface. Little pistol, yeah, the niggas doing this, son, they trying to make me nervous. Now they want to get in an argument. Yeah, niggas in the hood, son, they started in. Go there, in your apartment, right with your women, with your kids and all that, son. Cause you already know the enemy is rising. Right from the top in the game, rose in like a resurrection. Someday you ain't expect shit. Be on my dog in the hood, son, killing every nigga in each section of this world. When I blow the bombs up and know a nigga, everybody get it, even your girl, even your kids, son, fuck this, I'm a part of this world. Oh, I hate that boy in the block, freestyle unit, gangsta shit on top. I ain't fucking with none of these little niggas and they undercover cops. And I wonder when I'm popping them shots, and they ducking. They running around, force in their hands, son, that's nothing. Then I'm running up on you, gunning your dome, son. You know I ain't playing around with nothing. I ain't tolerating shit. You keep a cool run the hood, son. You the dollar, son. That you yeah, I be, son. Fuck with it. Come on, dog. Freestyle, you it. Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. You already know I come through the block banging. Let me do this. See the red. You already see the favorite color. Got them words skin. Come on, dog. Talking about you banging. I ain't banging nothing, but it's staying in my hand. Little niggas keep fucking testing me. Time to pay the consequence, son. Now I told you the rest in peace. Come on, son, the rest in peace. You already know to take your piece. Right up through the death, right up through the alley. Freestyle unit, nigga in the hood. Don't get me smiling at me, get me staring. But now I'm gonna have to feel the motherfucking flames, nigga. I ain't really even caring. You're a real nigga, what you sharing, what you saying. Come on, dog, I can't hear it. Like someone on my ears or something. Yeah, you already know the killer game quick. You already know. Little pencil back in the game, under control. Now lights off. Let's see what's to some rice, dog. Little nigga, no rice at them all. Little nigga hooped up with it. Little piss in the darkness. I told you I'm proud of this. Little nigga, the low in the darkness. Yeah, like the infamous. Come on, dog. These little niggas come so angry, come so innocent. Come on, dog. You ain't got none of that, son. Yeah, in this game ain't no friends. You already know, son. So death is taking everything, nigga. Got a motherfucker's coughing, nigga. Yeah, bitch. Dr. 24. You a skeleton, nigga.